about the company and the speakers. So I am
Please
Jackie
silence.
Dai. I am the CEO and designer of ESD Acoustic. We are from Hangzhou, China. We are China's first and so far the only high-end brand. This system you see here is our flagship system named Dragon. As you can see, it's got big horns, and you have 7 horn units on each side, and also 3 horn subwoofers in the back of the big horn. The subwoofers are in charge of 50 Hz and lower. The big horn is in charge of 50 to 100 Hz. This one is from 100 to 500, 500 to 2000. The tweeters are from 2000 to 8000, and the super tweeters are from 8000 to 52,000 Hz. These are symmetrical so that the sound stage will be the same as the mid-range. All the horns are made of carbon fiber. We are the world's first company to make carbon fiber horns, because carbon fiber is resonance-free, and carbon fiber horns does not produce the so-called horn sound that audiophiles always refer to due to resonance of horn while playing music. There are 25 electronics here. This is a CD. It's a 3-machine set. This is a separate power supply. This is a controller, and this is a transport. So this line, the machines are all separate power supply for this line. This is a decoder. This is a preamplifier, and then it goes to 2 5-ways analog active crossovers. So these crossovers feed the signal to 5 amplifiers on each side. Each amplifier drives 1 way of horn. The amplifiers are all Class A 10 watts. They are single-ended solid state, so unlike traditional solid state, they are more tube sounding, but with very low background noises. Like right now, I'm pausing the system, but you will not hear the background noises that usually the systems will make. They're also special in MOSFET. They are carbon silicon MOSFET tubes that instead of pure silicon, so it can endure higher temperature, more sensitivity, and more accuracy. All the electronics here are powered by switch mode power supplies, specially designed for hi-fi instead of traditional transformers. So we cooperated with China's #1 switch mode power supply company, Electronics, to develop it. These 4 are field coil power supply, because all our units are field coil instead of permanent magnet. Field coil is also known as electromagnet. We know that most speakers are using permanent magnet. Though called permanent, they last for about 20 to 30 years. But for electromagnet, you can use it after 200, 300 years once you have electricity. So there's another advantage of electromagnet is that it goes to very high magnetic density. All the drivers you see here can get to 2.4 Tesla of magnetic density in the slits. In comparison, most normal speakers are like 1.2 Tesla, around that. So these speakers are like super sports car compared to normal ones. So it stops faster and accelerates faster. They have better control and better transient response. So all the mid-range tweeter and super tweeter use beryllium diaphragms. They are foiled instead of vaporized, coming from true stems. The mid-bass, bass, and the subwoofer use titanium sandwich diaphragms. First layer is titanium, second layer is honeycomb aluminum, third layer is titanium again. So this structure provides very good damping of the diaphragm. It does not have the ring effect that one single layer of metal usually occurs. And this structure is ultra hard and stiff. We have a sample over there. You can see that I can put my whole weight on it without deforming it. So it's got very low total harmonic distortion. The subwoofer down there provide only 0.5% harmonic distortion at 20 Hertz. The horns are better. The mid-range here only provides 0.1% harmonic distortion at 1000 Hertz. They are also very efficient. The mid-range is 120 decibel at 1 watt 1 meter. So I believe right now it's the world's most efficient unit so far. And the biggest horn also has 110 decibel. So all the horn units are very efficient. That's why we only need 10 watts in each amplifier to drive them to the loudness that you just heard. So that is our special. That is our flagship system, Dragon. This is a special version. Again, it's a Chinese lacquer. Chinese lacquer was Asian god of royal court. We have an introduction over here. We have gold lining underneath the lacquer and 100 layers of lacquer above. We have 6 artists who worked for 15 months of it. So it costs 3.6 million euros, the whole set. But for standard setup, it's 1.08 million euros. Aside from Dragon system, we also have Phoenix, Crane, Panda, Aviator. That those you can look around in this hall, and some information here. We also have our headphone and headphone amplifier that you can experience over there. If you have more questions, you can ask me. You can also visit our website, esdacoustic.com. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Show me what is inside.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is brass. Yeah.
This is a copper and
Copper.
24K gold.
Okay. Yeah.